Hi, welcome to our WOW DIY series, where we take items you can find at home or at your local store to do amazing and fun experiments. Today we will learn how to make our own marble print designs. This experiment demonstrates how partially charged molecules are attracted to one another and how we can use this to our advantage to make fantastic works of art. In electricity, opposite charges attract. A positive charge is drawn to a negative charge. Everything around us is made of molecules, and certain ones have some charge. Molecules that have a partial charge or a positive and a negative pole are referred to as polar. The positive end of one molecule is attracted to the negative end of another. They like to stick together. Molecules with no partial charge are called nonpolar. Polar molecules will tend to ignore or exclude something that is nonpolar. Let's get started and then see if we can apply what we have just learned to make some awesome art. To do this activity, you will need shaving cream, popsicle sticks, index cards or paper, food coloring, toothpicks, a plate or a tray, and some paper towels. This experiment could get messy and food coloring can stain, so be sure to work on newspaper or a tray to keep your space clean. You may also want to wear old clothes. As always, make sure you check with an adult before you try any of our activities. Begin by spraying some shaving cream on your plate. Shaving cream is a foam or soap that is mostly nonpolar. Next, drop on some food coloring. Food coloring is water-based and is a polar material. Drag your toothpick through the mixture to create a design. You can be as creative as you'd like here. Feel free to add more color as needed. Press the paper onto your design and smooth it out. Let it sit for a few seconds. Paper is made of a molecule called cellulose, which is polar. Do you think the food coloring will stick to the paper or the foam? Carefully lift the paper, and we see as I gently scrape away the foam, the paper and the food coloring have polar molecules, and the opposite charges present help them stick together. You can lift multiple prints from the same plate. Just make sure you let your print dry before you display it. Have fun exploring with different types of colors and types of paper. Don't forget to clean up once you're done. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.